What is the best product research tool you use? I might give you a secret. The best product research tool I use is my brain. The thing is, if you actually made money with Etsy dropshipping, you know that tools are, for the most part, they are. And I'll be real with you guys. I'll tell you guys. Okay. To be honest, I can actually share some of the offers that I get. I get offers all the time from Etsy tools, from Shopify tools, to promote tools and to sell them to you guys, right? And I'll tell you two things, okay? So the money, to be honest, like I don't give a fuck, all right? It's a few thousand, whatever, right? But they'll give you a percentage of the people. So they'll pay you, say, if I were to say right now, actually, let's say it like this. If I did a YouTube video and I mentioned blah, blah, blah Etsy tool, they would pay me a few $1,000s to mention it, but then they'd also give me affiliates, right? So they pay me percentage of all the people that I got to sign up, right? So if I convinced all you guys that blah, blah, blah tool is the best tool in the entire universe, I'm going to get paid very well, very handsomely. But the thing I don't like, and the thing that I don't do this because, one, I don't use paid tools, okay? Number two is they make you sign exclusive agreements.